Like they always say, a picture is worth more than 1,000 words. So let's talk about the hover animations that you can find in Brizy, WordPress, and Cloud. And here we start with the 7 animations that are available. The first one is wobble. And as you can see here, we have a call to action button. When you hover over a wobble, it wobbles. Pulse, buzz, scale, move, skew, and then rotate. These hover animations can be applied to any element within the Brizy Builder. Let's have a look at where you can get it and how you apply it and make this sparkle happen today on your website. I'm currently running Brizy in WordPress, but everything I'm showing you also works in Brizy Cloud. And then there's the surprise that this is also available in the free versions. However, from the beginning, note that these kind of animations are made for desktops, and therefore, once you go into your mobile and tablet responsive displays, you're not going to find the option there. To apply it to any element, select the element, go to Settings, and select Effects. Remember, you can also just hit the shortcut key on your keyboard, Control-K, Command-K, and that will open the Effects sidebar automatically. Over here, you find those 7 hover animations. Let's go ahead and select Zoom, and note that you have a few options below that. You have a direction, and these will depend on which of the hover animations you've selected as to what directions and options you will have. Duration, how long the hover will take, and the delay, once somebody hovers over it, how long it will take for that hover to take effect. Remember, this is not scroll, it's not dependent on the page. It's purely dependent on a cursor hovering over that element for it to activate. You can have infinite animation, and if you want to see the animation again, simply select replay animation and it will occur again. Now that's good and well for images, but even for text. Let's select this text element and remember Control-Command-K to open the animation sidebar. Let's select hover again, and this one we're going to do wobble, and as I hover over it, there is the wobble. For the call to action button, Control-K, Command-K, and let's select hover. And this time, let's make it grow. So scale will be a good option here. You can have it bounce in, bounce out, grow. I'm going to select grow. And the duration at 0.6 seconds. Good one. And then as you hover over the button, this is great. Whatever element you can find on your page, you're going to be able to apply a hover animation to it. So go and check it out today. Free, Pro, WordPress, and Cloud. Remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel to stay up to date to news and updates and what's happening in the world of Brizy. And then visit us at brizy.io. Until next time.